Hi again. If you're like me, you're probably interested in more than just looking good today. You want to feel strong and healthy for the long haul. I've been on this anti-aging journey since I was 33, and as I approach 40, I feel and look better than ever. My 16-year-old son even thinks I'm the cool dad, which in itself is a win. But here's the secret, it's all about having a solid protocol that works. I've spent years refining my personal system, combining the right supplements, a smart diet and a few key exercises that help keep both body and mind sharp. And trust me, it's totally achievable for anyone who's willing to put in a little time and effort. In my paid membership, I share the full routine, the exact drug cycles I use, what, when and how to reconstitute and administer them. My weekly diet plan packed with foods that keep you lean, energized and feeling youthful. Personal test results, products links and exclusive discounts, plus recipes for homemade skin and hair care products that actually work. So if you're ready to invest in yourself and see real results, sign up and get access to everything from my anti-aging protocol to a store with top tier products I personally use. You've been watching Daniel Gray at Jelq.com. Thanks for watching.